Okay. State whether the following are line, ray, or line segment, or just segment. Okay, number 1. It's a line. It has 2 arrows. Number 2. Number 3. Segment. Number 4. Segment. 5. And ray. Questions on these? All right. Okay, this is the one I said we can cross off. You don't have to do this one. All right. 1.4, parallel and intersecting lines and planes. The objective is to understand parallel lines and planes and intersecting lines and planes. So intersecting lines look like this. They meet at a point. Parallel lines are coplanar lines that do not intersect. Yep. Yep. Skew lines are lines that do not intersect and do not lie in the same plane. So that would be like if a line's on the ceiling and a line's on the floor. They're never going to intersect and they're not in the same plane. So like, I'm going to show you a picture. Like, overpass. You know, an overpass over an interstate or a highway. Those never hit. Right? They're in different planes. So those are skew. Alright, let's roll. Okay, length is the distance between the endpoints of a segment, which we'll get more into in a little bit. And then congruent segments are segments with the same length. Okay, so if segments have the same length, it will be marked the same. So let's say we have a rectangle here. These two are congruent. These two are congruent. That's how we mark congruent segments. This side, this segment is congruent to this segment. This segment is congruent to this segment. Okay, if two lines intersect, then their intersection is a point. And then the picture of it, and I kind of already drew it for you. There you go. Yep, you don't have to draw in the numbers or the letters, just draw in the picture. So their intersection is a point. So their intersection would be point P, or just P. Yeah. Love it. I love seeing some highlighters out, different colored pens. PS and line QR. Where do those two hit? Yep. Where do they intersect? Point what? R. Point R. Do you guys see that? How those hit right here? Okay. What about TV and QU? TV and QU. Point U. Good. What about PS and UV? PS. Oh, what just happened? PS and TV. Where did those hit? They don't. They don't. Questions?
We also hashtag too, name of the police is.
No. The intersection of two planes is a. We just did this. What about planes T and plane S?
They don't touch.
T and S don't?
What you mean? They don't. Oh, it's off. It's off.
Think about it. Look at it. It's an L. Line L. T and S. So S is this one going down. T is right here. They hit at L. What did we learn today? What were the things? So intersecting lines and planes. Okay, if you have questions, put them here. A sample test question. You can put, where do the lines intersect?